I don't know what to say. This is so awkward. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess I'm supposed to open this on camera. Oops, my trap music. Okay, hold on. Like, okay, so I don't know if I should tell what just happened. I just got off of work like 45 minutes later, so. But, oh my gosh, like, my heart is beating so fast. I guess I'm supposed to open this on camera. I guess I'll go ahead and do that. This is gonna be hard. I really don't know what to say. I feel like crying. Well, apparently my fiance has been in my car while I've been at work, and okay, well, let's see. He left me a note that says vlog now, and he left this gift in my car. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm embarrassed because I have all my flexi rods, all my flexi rods on the floor from this morning for my hair. I can't even move my seat back for comfort right now, really, to open this. I got stuff all in my car. He bought me a mannequin holder so I can make my wigs. Thanks, baby. And he brought me, I knew I smelled some juicy fruit. That's like my favorite gum ever. So he gave me some candy, some of my two favorite Hershey's, and some I can't even do this. This is like and then he got me a card. Oh, and there's a note, something sweet for my sweetie. And then it's a card. Oh my gosh, hold on. This is a, check the bottom. Okay, wait, let me read the card. I don't know if I should read this out loud, so. Oh, I'm really gonna cry. This is too much for me to deal with, like, on a serious note, though. This is like, I can't deal. Oh my god! He got me my scarf that I wanted. After he talked trash about it, he got me my scarf I wanted from Old Navy. Aww, he's so sweet. Oh my gosh. Well, after a long and stressful day, I would say that he made me smile today, like always. Wow. I don't know what else to say. Like, immediately I was like, who broke into my car? I was about to start screaming, but then I was like, I walked over there to see what it said, and I was like, I can't read it because it's written from the inside. So then I was just like, but yeah, this is, oh my gosh, like, aw, thank you, baby. I don't know what else to say.